Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Ellie, and in today's video I will show you guys a new handbag that I decided to finally buy and just add to my collection, and I'm so excited about this new bag. You have probably already seen it in previous videos on my wish list, but honestly I did remove it from my most recent wish list and I kind of forgot about it for some time. But then I started looking into the bag again and I finally ended up buying it. I'm going to give you all the details regarding the bag in a tiny bit, but also in today's video I will show you guys some new trench coats that I've added into my wardrobe, and also I will give you guys some trench coat outfit inspiration, because recently I have been wearing a lot of my trench coats as the weather has been very good here, and most likely this will be the last time you guys will see me with my baby bump because my due date is almost here, so there's not a lot of time. But if I'm feeling good, I will definitely make sure to film another video before that, but we'll see about that. Let's just start with the handbag first. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys. It came with kind of a dust bag slash tote bag because I'm planning on using it as a tote bag. It's not really your typical dust bag that it comes with, and it doesn't come with a box. Like the bags from this brand don't come with a box, but I honestly do not need another box in my apartment, so that's great. And the site I ordered it from was Farfetch, and let's just get into the review. This is the beautiful Dragon Diffusion bag that I opted for, and I am so excited specifically for this model and for this color. You can see that I still have the tag on. I'm just gonna put it here. I'm going to remove it in a little bit. I still haven't worn the bag at all. It's also stuffed, as you can probably tell, but I am so excited to style it in so many different ways. And initially I wanted this bag in the cream color, and they did have the cream color, the exact color that I wanted. However, after careful consideration, I decided that I do not need right now another cream slash white bag because I have so many already in my wardrobe. And I also knew that even though I really liked the dark brown version of this bag as well, I also didn't need that because I have way too many brown bags. You guys probably already know that I have the Toteme T-Log bag, which is the most recent bag that I bought, which is again in a dark brown color. Then I also have my Demellier London Midi New York bag in the brown color, in the suede. You will see that here somewhere on the screen. And I also have at least probably 4 more brown bags, and I'm not even sure about it, so you can kind of tell that I have way too many brown bags in my collection, so I definitely didn't need a brown bag. And when I saw this specific shade of green, I honestly fell in love with it. It is absolutely amazing. How beautiful is it? And the thing that I liked the most about it was that the leather isn't actually the same color all over throughout the bag. You can kind of tell here that it has a little bit of a brownish tone as well, and just different olive slash khaki tones, and it is absolutely amazing. I just cannot wait to wear it. Of course, with my favorite brown tones, I would love to wear it just with a monochromatic look, with maybe something green as well in my clothing items, or just a all brown look. And also I would love to wear it with my cream monochromatic outfits, but at the same time I would love to mix and match it with other neutral tones, beiges. I'm also excited to wear it with pretty much any of my trench coats. This would look absolutely incredible in my opinion. And this is how it looks in the back. As I said, it's currently very stuffed, but I will remove the stuffing in a little bit. I will write here on the screen the exact model of the bag. I love this particular size as well. It is in the big size, and I knew for sure that I wanted it in the big size. I'm pretty sure that the small one has shorter handles, so you wouldn't be able to wear it as a shoulder bag. And I would also love to just carry it around as a top handle bag. This bag is definitely going to fit a lot in my opinion. I'm just going to remove the stuffing now, just to show you guys how it looks on the inside, but it doesn't have any type of like organization system in the inside, so it's just a big open space, which I do personally like for this bag. It is a big bag, but it's not that big to the point where you wouldn't be able to find your things when you're looking for them. So yeah, let me just remove the stuffing now. As I said, on the inside it's just one big open compartment, and then the only detail that it has is this coin here, if you can tell. I will make sure to film at least 2 different outfits with this bag before I upload the video, so I can include them in this video. But you can see now in this specific lighting how beautiful the color scheme is and how many different tones of green and a little bit of brown it has. I think it is absolutely amazing. These different tones just make it so versatile as well. I cannot wait to get a ton of wear out of this bag. Definitely let me know if you do already have this bag and if you're happy with the quality, or how long have you had it in your wardrobe, etc. I would love to know all of these details. And now let's just go through my 2 new trench coats. This is the first one. Both of them are from Zara and both of them are on the shorter side, as you can tell. This particular one doesn't have any buttons. The only button that it has is the one on the top, and you can see that it's a black button, and I have already worn this quite a few times. It is very comfortable now during pregnancy also. I always go for a size up in my trench coats. I just love my trenches a little bit more oversized, and this specific trench coat I have worn recently with my Toteme T-Log bag, also a lot with my corduroy trousers, both my brown ones and also my cream ones. And I do have my Toteme T-Log bag next to me, and I think it looks great with trench coats. Just the tone of the brown looks amazing in my opinion. Although this bag is quite simple overall as a design, because of the details that I ended up going for, I feel like it adds again more visual interest to my overall quite simple outfits that I usually go for. So I have been loving this bag so much, and I would 100% recommend it, at least in this particular size, which is the smaller size. I think that at this point they have a mini size also, so even smaller than this, and they have their usual big size. And if you are interested, I already have a whole video regarding this bag and what can actually fit in this particular Toteme T-Log bag. And then this is the second trench coat, which I actually haven't worn yet, but I am so excited to wear it. You have probably seen it all over social media as well, because this specific one did become quite popular. But I do really appreciate the fact that you don't have to only wear it like this with the high neck. I haven't actually worn this specific one yet, but I'm so excited to do so. And for this particular one, it is a little bit harder to style it now with the baby bump, because the belt is quite lower. I can still put it a little bit higher, so I'm going to try to do it even now with the baby bump. And I really like the color of the buttons on this trench. You can see they're pretty much the same color as the actual trench coat. They have just a few kind of dark brown details. You can see here the details on the sleeves when it comes to the buttons as well. Love the back of it also. And now it's time for a little bit of trench coat outfit inspiration. The first outfit that I recently went for is this one, with this quite again oversized coat, which is actually from Zara. I've had it in my wardrobe for so many years at this point, and the quality is amazing. And it is a little bit more kind of oversized on the shoulder area here. It has a very interesting silhouette. I really enjoy this coat, and you can tell that I've styled this look with my favorite lace scarf. I love this scarf so much, and recently I've started styling it in so many different ways. And then under the trench coat, I've went for quite a simple turtleneck, a cream one again. And for the bag, it is from a brand called Volvia, and I really like the simple design of this bag. The next one is this with the Loewe basket bag. I love this mango trench coat. You can see that it's quite tight with my baby bump, but it's still very comfortable to wear. It just may look a little bit tight on the photo. And here in this particular outfit, I have went for a different type of a lace accessory. This kind of crochet, I would say, actually not really lace, crochet color. And I do really enjoy this specific one over trench coats. I think that it's such a nice touch, and I can also add it over sweaters, let's say, and just different tops, as long as they're quite simple, because otherwise it will be quite overwhelming. Again, this is a trench coat that I've had in my wardrobe for many years at this point. I really like the tortoiseshell buttons, and the overall quality of the trench. Next, I wanted to show you guys this look with the navy trench coat. I really enjoyed adding the baby blue sweater over my shoulders, and also I have again a quite simple base underneath, an all cream outfit, just a very simple cream sweater with my, I think I'm wearing my cream corduroy trousers here. And then my bag is from a brand called By Far. I love this bag. It is called the Amber bag in the croc effect. And then I also wore my brown shorter trench coat recently. I have added again the lace scarf that I love as an accessory, and then my Demellier London off-white bag, and then my cream wide leg trousers and quite a simple cream turtleneck underneath. Another one of my recent looks is with this beautiful cream leather trench coat. I love the structure of this trench coat. I've had this trench coat in my wardrobe for so many years at this point, and I still wear it a ton pretty much each season. I think it's amazing. Here I decided to combine it with my suede clutch in this kind of sage khaki color. I love this color. And then a similar look that I've went for is this one, but with a denim cream trench coat. I also love this trench coat. I find it very easy to style. It's kind of very casual. And for this outfit, I have went for the Demellier bag, but in the lizard effect, in this beautiful cream color. And then another one of my all-time favorite trench coats is this dark brown one. I have combined it here with my plain seam bag, and also one of my most kind of worn dresses when it comes to pregnancy. It is this beautiful boucle cream dress. I think this outfit is very casual, looks great, and it's very comfortable, but also quite elevated because of the trench coat, so it's perfect for every day. I did also wear quite a few times my favorite lace scarf over my brown trench coat as well, and here I have combined it with my Toteme T-lock bag. And then the last two looks you have already seen with the new trench coat that I showed you guys, like the first one. And we already discussed that I have worn it so far mainly with my corduroy trousers. I love these looks so much, and I'm planning on styling it in a lot of different ways also. So that was all for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also please make sure to follow me on my Instagram if you do enjoy my content on there. All of the photos that I showed you, I share on my Instagram pretty much on a daily basis. I give you guys a lot more outfit ideas and styling tips over on my Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.